So we're here at CES and we're checking out an already a goodie. We've actually checked this company before. We actually have their bird bath in our backyard still to this day, getting great shots of birds thanks to their adaptive recognizing AI software. But now the people at Birdfy have released a brand new product they're releasing this year, which is their Hum Bloom. Now, they've had their Hum lineup for quite some time with the Hum Duo or the Hum Feeder. These two options not only allow you to use nectar and specialty cameras to get an eye shot at your hummingbirds, but they also specifically feature the Duo model, which has multiple cameras, so you get multiple options of shots. Now their brand new Hum Bloom is taking it to the next level. The Hum Bloom is going to allow you not only to specifically get a great shot of the birds as they come in, but they are designed with slow-mo cameras specifically to capture the exact moment, and using multiple points of activation with the AI to basically know when a bird is getting there so you don't miss any of the hummingbird entering into your frames and the camera capturing it like with a high FPS to get exactly that shot you need to see them coming in. On top of that, they do plan to release a ant moat option that you can pick up to basically help keep ants out of the bird feeder. And as well, they also are using a hydraulic system to make sure the fluid is able to basically travel directly out to the spout and feed the hummingbirds when they come in to get some. It is the next in line specifically of their hummingbird feeders, and frankly, it is quite impressive and it looks really cool also. I like the hourglass tech design as well as the beautiful flower pendant drop down. Really nice, really well put together. Well, if you guys are huge bird fans and you want to basically get hummingbirds, or you have a lot of hummingbirds in your neighborhood and backyard, I highly recommend you pick up and keep an eye out for the Hum Bloom. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys in our next CES video.